then come here on the boat. Ew. Boat. Big boat, motherfucker, nigga, they came over on that boat. Them niggas, motherfucker, them niggas came over on that boat. Got tricked thinking with they dick, cause them motherfucking niggas wasn't shit. And that's what them motherfuckers get. Nigga, that big boat, the Mayflower. I never understand how in the fuck they could trick a black man and they ancestors, nigga. Sold the motherfuckers cause they didn't have no crops, nigga. And the phantom would never stop. The death just kept on drop. Atomic drop, fuck that. Ooh, you could just smell the bodies rock. And I got to let them niggas know, nigga, that big boat. These niggas, motherfucker, these niggas, they some joke. Black life don't matter, motherfucker, nigga, it don't really matter. They up the creek without a paddle, cause all they do is fuck like rappers, nigga. See a big booty and they got to have it, it's automatic, nigga. 6 money, the hip hop train, fuck nigga, I can't explain how insane motherfucker niggas do what shit tell them to do, that what's wrong. Almighty call, fuck nigga, I ain't never coming home, nigga. I'm a runaway, nigga. Bright man, now I can't stand. A black man, motherfucker, nigga, that act like a nigga, man. That's what's the master plan. You niggas know what I'm saying. I be the $7 million man, fuck nigga, and I'm cool as a fan. And nigga, I just talk about that big boat. Them Negroes came over on that boat. It was all a big joke. They said free pussy. Free liquor, free weed smoking, man, you can fuck all day. And them ignorant motherfuckers, they wanted to play, but you had to stay. And be forced to build a nation, that's called slavery, nigga. Trade the beat, motherfucker, nigga, now you see it wasn't me. I got the key to show you that. Mighty drops to one there. Box, nigga, I'm a box, nigga, when I rhyme, my box, nigga, nigga, when I rhyme, motherfucker, nigga, I box, nigga, box, got the motherfucker niggas in the box, nigga, nigga, roll the beat, the rollin' rock, nigga, future shop, nigga, futuristic when I kick it, motherfucker, nigga, I'm so wicked in the ring, motherfucker, nigga, I'm the realest ever seen, bitch, nigga, beat the rollin' king, no nigga in this motherfucking world do it like me, nigga, got the key to the magic, nigga, niggas in the game, they can't match it, nigga, can't catch it, nigga. Faster than the speed of light, motherfucker, nigga, I rule all night, nigga. I'm a box, nigga, okay, do what you do, nigga. Bob that head, you remember how like Mike Tyson do it. You put one right foot in front of your foot, and you put your weak foot in the back. And see what you gonna do. You gonna throw that left and you gonna step with that weak foot. But then when you come back around, you come with that right. And all your power is gonna hit that motherfucker in 3 places. Either you gon' hit that motherfucker in his nose, you gon' hit that motherfucker in his mouth. But I prefer hitting that bitch in his eye. That bone right up under that eye. Ooh, make that motherfucker want to die. He ain't got no choice but to cry. And when he bend down, you show that motherfucker who's a killer. Number 3. I'ma steal a motherfucking nickel, and I'ma hit a motherfucker with a baseball bat, motherfucker. I'ma go head crack, motherfucking nigga, and I'ma make that motherfucker pussy nigga nose. He could never go toe for toe, motherfucking nigga, with that motherfucking Lord King roll. I bet this death slow, fuck that nigga, it's impossible. Motherfucking niggas, I'm dude. I'm real motherfucking niggas, I got the skills. Fuck nigga, I got gills like a shark. Cause motherfucking nigga, I like the box. I like the box, motherfucker, to sleep. Talk this cheap ass, anybody better lose about me. Before the pussy nigga put me in this wheelchair. They say a dead man can't talk. I say a motherfucking nigga in the wheelchair can't. Boy, you so stupid. Your mom. Don't never call me stupid. Oh,
it's cold. I might miss my dental appointment. Please can shorten your cold. I guess we'll be here for a while. Might not.
And have her. And I part all the rappers like the Red Sea. I part them motherfuckers. I part them motherfucking niggas like the Red Sea. When they talk about that time, they talk about me rolling, nigga, rolling, motherfucker, nigga, I'm bringing that time, nigga, 205, motherfucker, rolling, do it live, nigga, I'm on 5, fuck that nigga, they all gon' die, why, when it's already what's rich, nigga, I'm spitting, I'm getting motherfuckers, nigga, back from the old back, motherfucker, nigga, they say that, fuck, nigga, head crack, motherfucker, crack a nigga back, nigga, broke back, nigga, nigga, Abdul, nigga, connoisseur, motherfucker, nigga, coming through the zoo, motherfucker, dressed in black, killing all blacks, cause they don't know how to act, pack, motherfucker, nigga, roll, motherfucker, nigga, that roll at 205, fuck, nigga, drive, fuck, nigga, do this shit like, nigga, I'm rolling, nigga, rolling on tide, nigga, I'm rolling, nigga, I'm rolling on tide, nigga, at 205, fuck with me, you die, nigga, I'm rolling, nigga, rolling on tide, rolling that tide, 205, rolling, nigga, rolling on tide, 205, nigga, I ride, motherfucker, niggas, I do this, motherfucker, nigga, finna get everybody by the capital punch, nigga, the no, fuck that, motherfucker, fuck whoever want a nigga, front it, motherfucker, nigga, fuck the gun, I don't give a fuck about the motherfucker, stunning motherfucker, nigga, here I come, a motherfucker, nigga, smoky bitch, nigga, like marijuana, fuck him like I used to fuck Tawana, fuck nigga, the boulder, fuck that motherfucker, nigga, I'm the roller, nigga, no nigga, cooler than the thriller, go get a motherfucking nigga, on my way, spitter, nigga, kill a motherfucker, nigga, blaze, no, motherfucker, no, you didn't, you bitch made, bitch ass, nigga, pick a motherfucker, nigga, roll and kill, jiggle, pick him up, motherfucker, buck, nigga, that shit up, great big pussy, motherfucker, yeah, my nuts, hey. But when I bring that back, nigga, I'm rolling, nigga, I'm rolling, nigga, that 205, 5, rolling, roll tight, nigga, rolling, nigga, rolling, that 205, roll tight, roll tight. Roll Tide. I part that Red Sea, and I part MCs, nigga.
Boogie Major.
Take seven MCs. Take seven MCs. Take seven MCs. I take seven MCs. Put them in the line. Take seven MCs. I take seven MCs. And put them in the line. And the rest of the other 14 motherfuckers ain't gonna wanna rhyme after I finish with the first 7. So Rakim, I love you, my nigga, but then get what? It don't take no 21 for them motherfuckers to know. Don't fuck with the rope. My flow, fuck nigga, so remarkable, but I'm so untouchable. Give you motherfucker nigga what you bargain for. Fuck nigga, that did nigga, I get rough, nigga. Rain pour. 40 days, 40 nights, motherfucker nigga that was born to fight. Fuck nigga, hitting like Mike Tyson, motherfucker nigga, the icing on your cake. Fuck nigga, the bait was real. Fuck that shit, these niggas real fake. Fuck nigga, it's time for nigga Rolla to elevate. Nigga, the magic way, shake. Fuck nigga, to pray the Lord, nigga, my soul to take. Nigga, when I take them 7 MCs, take 7 MCs and put them in the line. Take 7, take 7 MCs, put them in the line, I take 7. Don't need but the other 14 to show up, I blow the whole city up. I buck motherfucking nigga that run over motherfuckers like a 18-wheeler truck. Like running over dope when they information, my penetration, nigga. My ejaculation, my motherfuckers burn just to call extermination. I chill like a Haitian motherfucker, niggas, I'm patiently waiting, nigga. Stating the fact, fuck niggas, I kick facts all day, nigga. Blacks kill black, so I don't trust no black. Fuck niggas, so I do that, nigga. I take 7 MCs, I take 7 MCs, and put them in the line. And all them will go blind. All them Ray Charles ass niggas. All them Stevie Wonders. Nah, you ain't Stevie Wonder, cause Stevie Wonder was a genius. Ray Charles was a fucking junkie. You blind motherfucker. You ain't see that crack was gonna fuck you up. You didn't have the right one when you reached for it and couldn't see it. Ray Charles, fuck Ray Charles. I love Stevie Wonder. These 3 words. Stevie Wonder was a genius.